This 2025 Jayco Jay Feather 19MRK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, smoke detector, oven, external shower, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, awning, TV, auxiliary battery, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Jay Feather 19MRK is 5,050 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.